let me know. So user-defined functions are used to perform complex calculations. Okay, user-defined functions are used to perform complex calculations, routines, complex calculations and perform routines. Routines in the sense, it's a pairwise. Either suppose I have a date of birth. Suppose if you want to calculate date of birth, how we can calculate date diff and some function. You will same use write in self statement, right? So instead of that, you can write everything in functions and same you can use. Okay? Yeah, guys. So any idea how many user-defined functions we have? We have two user-defined functions. Two user-defined types. Different. Any guesses, guys? Scalar and table.
Okay.
What is the scalar and what is the table value? So a scalar, scalar nothing but guys. So it will accept one parameter. It may or guys it will accept parameters and return the result. Okay. Me right. Table value functions. Scalar value function accepts 0 or more parameters and returns only single values, guys. Okay, returns a single value. Okay. So while discussing store procedure, I told you right, it will accept all data types and only accept text or something. Did you remember that? It will
Yes.
accept almost all SQL Server data types. One second. Hello? Second one. Oh, sorry guys. It will accept almost all SQL data types except Ntext, varbinary,
Image.
yeah, and we can use
Image, right?
we can use in the select query and wait process. Anywhere you can use this. Okay, 1 minute ago. Ah, 1 minute. Yeah. So scalar function accepts 0 or more parameters and returns single value. It's accept almost all SQL data types except and text and binary. And once we created scalar function, you can use anywhere, either in SQL, I mean select statement and where conditions also we can use. Okay. So
Okay.
table value functions we will discuss later. I mean later in the sense once we complete this table మీరు అక్కడ పోయి ఫోన్ చేయండి ఎంత ఓకే table valued function again we have two different one. One is the inline table valued function and multi valued table function. So inline table valued function nothing but you will pass only one second. So you can pass only one select statement. Okay, you can pass or we can say it contains single select statement. Okay, single select statement and result will be on table form. Okay, suppose so it contains only single statement. When you execute that function, the result how it will come. So whenever we hit a select statement, how it will come? The table value is only coming, right? Inside, how it will come? Rows and columns wise, right? Guys, so when I hit a select statement, how it will come? It will come as a table format. Yeah, result will be a table form. Okay, so it will start with begin, ending with end. Okay, end statement. So yeah, the same way multi-valued any cases. So
multiple tables.
It contains multiple statements, inserts, anything you can perform with. Okay. So you can perform. Okay, it contains multiple. Hello.
Yes, Naga. Hello.
So wiring ఎంత వచ్చు? సరే అన్న చేయండి, వైరింగ్ చేయండి కొంచెం. ఓకే, ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Yeah, so it contains multiple select statements, or we can perform some operations. Some operations, nothing but either insert, update, anything you can perform. Okay. So these are actually normal definitions. We will see how we can perform actual examples. Okay. So these are only scalar values, but I will full values also. So as of now, yeah, this is all only definition, so don't bother about that. Even you can get it in Google as well. Just try to understand the syntax, how we can perform the operations, how we can use, where you can use. Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay, Naga.
So
Yes.
First we will check the scalar. So scalar function. So syntax for this is same as create function name, whatever you want to create function. Okay, it should start with returns. Okay, returns and return type nothing but, yeah guys, return type nothing but your data type, right? Either integer, varchar, or anything. Okay, return type. Same, however we created procedure, same syntax, starts the begin. So inside your self statements, okay. So something like and so on, okay. And you need to put what value you need to return.
Return.
Yes, right. Return value. Yeah. So this is general syntax. Create function name, return your data type, and begin insert whatever you want to write it. Yeah, this is general syntax. Okay, you will see one example and you'll check it out. Okay. Yeah, guys. Now you can just see. I'm creating a function against adventure works. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. Create function. You want to create some function name, right? I'm just creating UDF, right? UDF. You can put UFN. Get some inventory details. Okay. Inventory. So just observe. I'm not declaring anything now. Just the first syntax. See the syntax. Return. I want to return as an integer, guys. Now tell me. Return. First, I need to write here integer. Correct. Right. Return type. Okay. First, I'm creating a function, and what I need to write? Return type. Right. Return type nothing but your data type. So I want to get
Yeah.
some inventory details. That's why I'm just creating. First, see the query, then we can see. Okay. Return integer. Begin. Now I want to declare the. Suppose if I pass the product ID as an integer, I want to see the sum of the quantity. How can we write? So I want to pass a parameter as a product ID. Now you can tell me what I need to write here. The parameter is nothing but PID.
Address.
Okay. And
Yeah.
correct? Yeah, guys. You can check it out. Yeah, begin. So now actually I want to write the query here. I mean, whatever I want to perform those. So whatever I need to perform those, I need to declare here. Okay, return. I'm just checking that. I'm declaring some variable, stores some values. Okay, declare. I'm taking a return as something. Okay, now I want to store whatever that result into. I want to store some result into this value return, and again that I need to use in here return. So guys, if you have any confusion, please do let me know so that I will explain again. Okay? Storing equal to sum of three dot. Before that, I want to write this one, which table you want, right? Production, production of product, product. Right? Just before that, I just want to query against this table and see what values I have. Select star from. some values I have. Okay. I want to see sum of the quantity. Suppose if I pass product ID. My requirement is suppose if I pass a product ID, I want to see sum of the quantity. Okay. What is my requirement? Okay. So now tell me, suppose if I want to pass that product ID, how can you pass? Where? Just tell me.
Product ID is equal to
Yeah. P dot product thing, product ID equal to plus
is equal to
whatever.
353.
Yeah. PID, right? Whatever I declared earlier. So I want to pass product ID and I want to return value in this one. So first I need to pass one parameter, right? For that,
Yes.
I'm just sorry. PID. Okay. That one. So now I want to take this quantity, P dot quantity. Nothing else. There is a quantity. Okay. No. I'm just taking a sum of the quantity where quantity equal to product ID. And I'm just saving the results into this one. And yeah. Okay. Now you can just see. Now what I'm doing. I'm returning my result. What is my result? Where I need to where I'm saving my result? This one or not? Right? So I started with a begin, right? When I started it a begin, it must end with end statement.
Yeah.
So now we understood, right? How can you write create function? I think I want to see that product sum of product quantity whenever I pass the product ID. Now pass something or not? So now we just say select execute or calling function in so now we can see how we can write select. Hey, tell me. Again, you need to write the same table. So any idea how can you do that? How can you use function?
Function.
Nothing else. Just to put in select statement. Okay. Select from you want to take some from some table. So you can perform anywhere. Once you created a scalar function, you can perform anywhere in against your tables. Okay, just see what I'm trying to do here. Suppose now if I check normally, it won't give you any result. Just see select un factory of I'm passing some 7. So you put dbo dot it's giving any results now? No, because you're
No.
not see inside only you're declaring. Inside you're declaring and you're taking some quantity. But how can you know without performing the action on any table? Suppose if I want to say one or do something, it will give you any results.
No.
So, so that's why I'm just writing this function
It's
out tables.
given,
Then you can see. So select.
it's given given result.
Yeah, yeah, I will tell you one more example. First, what I do is I'm writing in the tables. to perform this action. Then we'll see some different ones. Product. Now we can put some name, comma. So what is our first name? Okay. Now we can pass. What is our product ID? Now we can pass product ID as quantity. Okay. Now we can see. Okay. So we are sure about that. Just take product ID as well. So if it's a confusion, then I will try to explain one more time. Guys. Okay. Where? So product ID between 75 and some 79 I'm putting, guys. First I'm executing this and then just tell me. So I got some quantity. We are not sure how it's coming. So this is actually we are taking a sum of quantity from this table. Okay. Now just so when I'm just taking product model ID between 75 and 79. Guys, uh, so product ID is the one. Okay. What is the quantity for the product ID? 1085. If you see here, if you sum up these three, 84, the sum is the same or not, guys?
Yes, yes.
It's like this. One second. Hello, hello. Habe. Chappan. Okay. Oh.
So I have a question for you.
Yeah. Tell me.
So how do you get the product model ID? Because from the list that you are sharing at this moment, I don't see any 75 and 79.
That is just for understanding purpose. So that's why I'm just removing this. If you just I put some random values. Suppose if you put this one, where product ID between 1 and 2.
Okay.
Product ID between anything you can put 1 and 3.
Okay.
108511.
So the advantage of using a function is just to avoid passing
Manual
multiple
calculations.
parameters.
Correct. So suppose if I want to write this sum again, I need to use this one, right? Group by inside my self statement. So if I declare this, aggregate function in my function, is it really required to use a group by function here? Not necessary, right? So somehow we are reducing our burden. So clear? So not only this, you can perform too many things. Okay, I will explain you one and all now. So this is important. That's why I won't leave with 1 or 2 sessions. Okay, guys. So 1 second. Sorry, actually today I got some electrician. That's why. So sorry, guys. Really, it's unexpected one.
No
problem,
issues,
Naga.
Naga. If you have any work, we can continue tomorrow.
Yeah. That's why. Yeah. Sorry, I
Yeah.
think. Okay. So actually, my home is some renovation something. That's why.
Okay, Naga. If you have any work, no issues. We can continue tomorrow or whenever. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. No problem.
So like this way, yeah, we can see
No
no
problem.
issue. Yeah, I already informed that, guys. So I hope you understand till here. And now we can see some different examples and we can see. So let me create some table. No worries. I will continue till 9 and we will see. Okay. Now just observe. Okay. I'm just creating two tables. Creating two tables. One is the marks and so number integer, marks integer, some name as a varchar, max. Okay. And I'm creating one more with the subjects. Okay. Create table subject. Again row number integer, subject on integer, sub 2 integer, sub 3 integer. Just observe this, guys. I'm just trying to insert some values here. So what I'm doing, I'm just creating one table here. I'm inserting now. Insert into marks values as 1 comma some max marks, some putting as an order. Okay. It won't take less than 1 minute. Nothing else. If I pass this row number, I want to see that user, subject values. That's why 4 values it can put 55, 50, or 80. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to insert some values into marks, and again I need to insert some values in. Guys, see, yesterday I discussed some set no count on. Did you remember that?
Yes, it will not show these unnecessary messages. One row affected, two rows.
Now we can see one row effect or something. I'm inserting some values now into what is the subject side? Subject. Yes. Yeah, guys. 1, comma, 10, comma, some 30, comma, some 20. So just to some values, 10, 10, 15, 40. Okay, I'm setting some values now. Now just did I see that message one row affected, two row affected? No, right?
No.
The
No.
use of the real use of set now count. I think you understood, right? How we can use set now count on off. So now we can select star from what is the table marks and select star from subject side. So now I have some data now. Okay. Now I want to create a scalar function suppose if I pass a row number, guys, if I pass row number, I want to see the name and marks of that. What do you call marks of that? Sorry, name of the student. Suppose if I pass the row number 1, I need to see that name of that row number value. Okay. Yeah. Now you can tell me how can you create. I already give you some example, right? With the product ID. Now you can tell me how can you create function. Yeah, guys. Fn get. Yeah, student. Yeah. Now I
Name.
want to pass. Yeah, guys. I want to pass as row number.
Row ID as an integer.
Yeah. Something right. RID as integer. Okay. I want to return as name. Name should be it's the form of character or varchar, right? Yeah, correct. Returns varchar of some 30 as begin. You know, right? How can you write? Okay. Return. I'm directly writing return here. Okay. Return. Select name from. Okay. What is the table name? Marks, right? Name from marks. Where? Row number, right? Yeah. R number equal to. Hey guys, what is our row ID? Is that correct?
Already.
Yeah. Yeah. I created function now. Now we can see. DBO dot. What is our function name? I'm passing some value. 3. 3 as a right? Let's see. Okay.
Yeah, because you define varchar as a 3 only.
Okay, sorry. So it's my bad. So suppose if you want change that function or data type or something, you just put alter, right? Alter condition. Suppose put 2. So it returns only 1. Suppose you try to check this as well. It's coming or not. Okay. See the SS. See, as per the definition, it should only returns only single. It will accept one or multiple parameter, 0 or multiple parameter, but returns only single value. Is that clear?
Okay.
So it will accept one or more parameter or 0 parameters, but returns only single. Single sir. I hope it.
Just quick question.
Yeah.
So, would you mind to repeat what is the use of set no count on?
So suppose set now count on. I want to insert some records like this. Okay. And first I'm offing. One second. I'm off. So by default it will be half. So we don't use anyway. Suppose if I want to insert this value. So what? So one row is better, 2 rows is better, something like that. Sometimes you need to update or insert multiple, more than millions of records like that. So,
Yeah. So you avoid to print the number of row effects.
Yeah, avoid unnecessary messages.
Okay.
So now you didn't see anything, right? Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we understood where we can use this one now. Set now content. See, like this we can perform. I will give you more examples. Okay. So now we understood, right? How we can use a scalar. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So, these functions, where this function store. Go to program building. Go to functions. Here you can see simple value functions and scalar. Now we are discussing about simple value function. I can go here.
Mm-hmm.
So get a function here. That function store here. We just click on same how we create a store procedure and how you extract same thing here. If you want to create an order, so it will be simple for you. Okay. If you want drop or
Yeah.
you can delete here. Otherwise you can use a drop function. Okay. So like this we can use. So uh, these all are actually inbuilt functions. So just try to do this. So is there any? I didn't create this one, but default it will be there. See, I didn't. So even in your machine also just check it out. Whatever you are writing, same thing. Same thing. It's look like very familiar, right? So these all are actually inbuilt functions. So I'm just giving you example what stored something like this. Okay, so suppose right how can you query this one? Select. Suppose if you want to see what is the status. Normally I didn't create it, but it's already there in our DB. I'm just giving you a heads up. How can you see this one? So I will give you some more examples, guys. Suppose. Suppose if we want to write this in your query select statement, suppose we have 100 of case statement at the, how can you do that? Is it simply using one statement it will give the entire values or not? So now I will show how it will be useful for you in real time. Is it useful? Simplifying our code or not?
Yes.
Suppose if you write
Yes, Nara.
case statement in your SQL, definitely it will give you some poor performance. If you put this in your function, same we want to return in statement will be easy for you. So instead of writing a left join also, suppose if you want, I'm just giving you one live example. This also
Quick.
put in one status table. And we have some header table. We want to join header table with a status table. So you want to give how many left joins you want to give? Suppose. So guys, did you hear? Did you remember or not? Earlier I given some transaction historical table. Suppose in process, approve status, how it will save and how it will give that whenever that what you call status change, the date will be saved somewhere, right? Did you remember or not? I'm not sure, but earlier I give one example. So whenever we change it to process, status, it will store store that date whenever that change data or something. In real time, they will ask, I want to capture that wherever that status change. So that you need to write n number of times in left behinds. So this is also one of the alternate ways we can use. Okay. Simply you can put this in joint condition and we can do that as well. Clear? We'll give you more
Question
example.
for you: if you wants to return all of the statuses,
No.
without
Individually.
Okay.
It will return only one value. But instead of that, we just put a left join. Every time it will join with only single value only, right? It's like a loop only.
Yeah.
There's a single value, that corresponding value it will pop up here. Something like that. I think we have table. Let me see. Not sure number or not. Status. Not sure. Something like that. Suppose if you want filter, you're not sure. So that also I'm just giving you guys. Suppose if you are not sure where the table is, suppose you have 100 of tables, how can you do that? Just go to here, filter settings. So you are not sure what is our table name. Just it works as a like condition. Okay, I'm just putting as some what you call status. Okay, it's working as a like condition, guys. Okay, see, there is no table now. So I think we don't have the table. Let us create and I'll give you that example. So you know, right? How to filter the table or store procedure anything? You just right click on this table, go to here, right click, filter settings, put any table. Suppose you are not sure about what is the table name. You want to search. Here you have 100 of table. How can you do that? So you go and you check every time. This is easy or not? So now it's a filtered or not? Where the keyword is a prod. Right. Is it easy or not? We can filter.
Yeah.
Same.
Yes.
Here also we are not sure. So there are hundreds of stored procedures. Same thing. We go to here. Right click procedure. Settings. You just created some anything. It's act like as a like condition. See, something can. Is it easy or not? So okay, guys. Today I'm ending here. Sorry to Rishabh. Maybe I'm in little hurry today. So definitely tomorrow I'll come with more examples and give you. So in live, suppose maybe right. Suppose Saturday, Sundays are there. I want see some SLAs. So guys, in real time you work on tickets or not? Every day you work on developer or any mortgage employee, anyone is working on tickets or SLAs. So I want to complete this
Yes.
particular task in between. So I want to calculate the SLA, and I want to exclude only what you call. I want to see the SLA only working days and want to exclude holidays or what we call this one weekends. So some kind of tasks also we see. Okay, how you can create for the for that kind of requirement you will create a function. Those also we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. So maximum I'll cover whatever you use in real time, guys. Okay, functions. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Yes,
Sorry,
no problem.
maybe.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
No issues, no issues.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Tomorrow we'll connect. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Sure.
Naga.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.